Hi all, in this video we'll be seeing how to make your Mac dock even more powerful by adding folders. So if you're using a lot of applications and if you want easier access to the applications folder, you can simply add the folder to the dock. And you can add whatever application you want in the dock for easier access. So I'll teach you how to add the applications folder in the dock. So go to the app finder and click on go to computer and go to Macintosh HD. And you see the applications folder here. Simply drag and drop the applications folder in the dock. And you can change the view of the icon as a folder, which looks better. And now if you want a folder that can view or that can get you the access to all the recent documents that you've used, you can do it. So go to File and click on New Smart Folder. Now click on the plus button here and in the kind drop menu, select last open date. And you can give the last open date. Probably I'll give it as 30 days. So it'll fetch all the documents that I've recently opened in the last 30 days. And I can give even more filters by adding the plus button here. Probably if I want uh, to have only the document type files in the recent folders, I can select the document type here. If you want the folders type or if you want images in the recent folders, you can do that as well. So I'll select document. So now click on save and give the name of the folder. So I'll give it as recent and it'll be saved in a folder called saved searches. And now click on the save button. It's saved in the saved searches folder. Go and search for the folder called save searches. And now you have the folder here called recent, which has all the recent documents in the last 30 days that you have opened. Now simply drag and drop this folder in the dock and you can see all the recent documents that you have opened. You can also customize it here. You can also change it to the list form so that it's easier to actually see all the documents that you've opened. You can also change the display of the icon as a folder, which looks even cooler. So yeah, I hope you learned how to make your dock even more powerful. Thank you.